This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anna Maria, Arnie, Alexander. Charming and completely remodeled gated home for lease located on a cul-de-sac in the heart of Coconut Grove. This beautiful light and bright home features 3 halves plus separate den/office and laundry room. The spacious open concept split floor plan offers views of the lush landscaping from every room plus a wonderful resort-style pool area with expansive wood-decked backyard completely private and maintenance-free, perfect for entertaining. Excellent parking for multiple vehicles which is totally unique in this area. Just steps away from restaurants, shops, A+ schools, parks, marina and more. Pool maintenance included in rent fee. Tenant occupied till end of February 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Anna.